Okay, so before you watch the other YouTube video on the R.A.C.E.S writing strategy, and we look at some examples on how to write the essay, first I just want to show you guys what our outline at Venture looks like. So make sure that you have a copy, get it from your teacher, and then before you look at the other video, let's just very briefly talk about what we've learned so far and how that adds to your essay outline. So now that we are confident with the R.A.C.E.S strategy and we can write one paragraph that answers a question, all we need to do now is turn it into an essay format. An essay typically has an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion, right? So you'll see with our introduction up at the top with R, and then a conclusion down at the bottom with S. And then for our two body paragraphs, you'll see that we have R.A.C.E.S repeated. If you can write one R.A.C.E paragraph, you can write the essay because we are just going to give a second example. In the previous assignment, in the last assignment, where we looked at the example of Cujo in the Stephen King novel, we could come up with more than one example. The viscous, gross eyes was just one example, but there was other examples in the passage that could work as our second paragraph. So the other YouTube video is going to go into more detail about what R and S stand for, but all we're doing is coming up with an introduction and a conclusion to support our R.A.C.E.S paragraphs, which we already know how to do. It's just making sure that we have the right organization and format for an essay. So if you're still feeling confused after the next video, check in with your teacher and let us know. But this is something that will get easier with practice, and we always want to make sure that we're planning for an essay. So go ahead and watch that next video to learn more about the R.A.C.E.S writing strategy.